This is a similar shape question. This would be for GCSE M8. The question says A and B are similar models of pyramid. The base of area B is 21% larger than the base of area A. By what percentage is the height of B larger than the height of A? This is questions to do with scale factor. Now, if you're looking at length, scale factor to get from small to big is K. You would multiply by K. If you're looking at area, to get from small to big, you would not multiply by K, you would multiply by K squared. And if the question is asked about volume, to get from small to big, you would multiply by K cubed. Okay, so our question is to do with area. So it's the base area of B is 21% larger than the base area of A. So we're to do an area, and to get from your small area to your big area, if it's 21% larger, you would multiply, to increase something by 21%, you would multiply by 1.21. So that means K squared is equal to 1.21. So if you get K squared, you can find K. So it's the square root of 1.21. So this could come up in a non-calculator exam. So that's just 1.1. So just check that. 1.1 times 1.1. Forget about the decimals. 11 times 11 is 121. And there's 2 digits after the decimal point. So 2 digits after the decimal point here. So you can see square root of 1.21 is 1.1. So that means for length, small to big, and height is length, by the way, small to big, you're multiplying by 1.1. So the question said by what percentage of height of by what percentage is the height of B larger than the height of A? So if you multiplied something by 1.1, what you do is you make it 10% bigger. So the answer, by what percentage is the height of the big one bigger than the height of the small one? It is actually 10%.